this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to view all the installed apps on your Android phone. There's like 2 or 3 different ways that we can do this. I'm going to show you the way that is the quickest to delete them if you want to get rid of them. But we can go to the Google Play Store here. And then just go to the top right to your little picture. And go to Manage Apps and Device. And we can just click where we see storage. Now if you ever want to update your apps, you can just go to where it says Update Available and hit Update All. That's useful. So we can click into here. Now we can see every app we ever downloaded through like the App Store. And we can scroll on down. And there's only like 17 apps. I haven't had this phone very long. So we can just click on the app. And we can click multiple apps. And we can go to delete if we want to delete them from our phone. So that's one way that you can see them. The other way is if we swipe up, go to settings, go to apps right here, go to see all. So there's far more apps on here because a lot of these apps came pre-installed on my phone. Like we can go to one of them, like the camera app for example. So there's no way to delete this. However, if it's a pre-installed app, we don't want it, we can just go to disable. And this will remove it from my device. So you can see my camera was right here. Now it is replaced with Messenger. So I can just re-enable it. And it should be back to my camera. So looks like it didn't switch back. So I'll have to move it back there in a minute. So we can just go back to this now. And scroll on through here. And just see everything on our device. So that's 2 different ways that you can see it. You can see all your downloaded apps real easy. And the apps list here has everything combined. So like phone, for example. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.